Hello guys! In today's video, I wanna share what I ate in Philippines today. I went Dunkin' Donuts. Let's start, check it out! I wanna eat some donut in Dunkin' Donuts, so that's why I go there. Today I wanna try Dunkin' Donuts in here, okay? Wow, there are like donuts. Hello po! Hello po! You know, now I'm in the Dunkin' Donut. I wanna try some donut in here. As soon as I come here, donut smell is really strong. Oh my god, I really like it. Hello. Wow, here have a ton of donuts. So I don't know what should I eat. Okay, let's see the donut. Many kinds of the donut they have, like Dunkin' chocolate and vanilla, strawberry, candy, and oh, what is that? It looks like really sweet and yummy. I don't know. Hello. Can I ask something? What is your favorite?
Oh well, strawberry and candy sprinkle.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, that one. Alright.
This one.
Ah.
This one is better.
Ah,
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
You're welcome.
Woo! Thank you po. Bye bye. Salam po. I never seen these kind of things. Can I ask something? What is the best seller in here?
Choco butternut Boston.
Oh, what is this in here? This one and this one is famous.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Also, there are beverages in here, coffee and is there iced coffee?
Yes, ma'am.
How much is it, iced coffee? Iced coffee is 70 pesos. This one is 70 pesos, right? Oh, also there are like, it's milk tea, right?
Yes.
Wow. And frozen white coffee like that. Is there ube flavor? No. Okay, let's try other things. Okay. I wanna try these things. Really tasty, yummy. On the top there are like blueberry jams, as I think, and cheese like that. Also, they say this one is famous in here. Choco waffle and then choco butternut, like that. Also, they have a like big size and small size. So, but today I wanna try small size. Can I get a choco butternut and then blueberry cheese?
Yes, ma'am.
And then, you know, I wanna try, but I'm not used to eat the strawberry candy like that. So maybe next time. And then choco waffle. Yeah. Just one.
Yes.
What is this?
Strawberry egg Hawaiian milk, ma'am.
Oh, this one please also. Yes. Thank you po. Hello po. Can I ask something? What's your favorite in here?
What again? Choco butternut.
This one. Maybe this one is really famous in here, right? I want to try this.
Yeah, this one also. Yeah. This is a little one version. This one is the big one.
Okay.
You also try this one. This one is also good.
Yeah, I bought that.
Blueberry.
Okay, I will try. Are you owner here?
No, I'm just an employee.
Employee, high five. Thank you. This one is mine. Can I get the coffee, iced coffee?
Yes, ma'am. What size, ma'am?
Medium size. Oh, thank you for. Wow, this is my donut. Thank you for.
142 pesos, ma'am.
Okay. Total 142 peso. Iced coffee is 70 peso and yeah, thank you for.
Thank you for.
Oh, I will eat in here. Okay. You know, this is my bag and this is my umbrella because now it's a little bit late, right? Oh my god. Oh, this is Korea. I'm from South Korea. Wow. I meet the celebrity, Korean celebrity in here. Hello. Okay, let's try in here. Also, here is really cool And you know, it smell is really good. I love donut smell like that. Okay, let's try this one. Ah, this one is mine. I love donuts so much. So now I'm really excited to enjoy this all of the donuts. Like that, like that. Can I take a picture with me? Oh, thank you! Come here, come here. Thank you, Bo. Bye bye. Thank you, Bo. Bye bye. I bought coffee, iced coffee. You know, I really like to eat the coffee. Okay, let's open. Wow. This is not black coffee. Really? Okay, thank you, Bo. But this is not black coffee. They don't have a tone of white. Is there black coffee? Oh my god, here I don't have a black coffee. Oh my god, coffee is really yummy. Yeah, you know, coffee is really good. I love like black coffee, but I love sweet coffee too. Coffee flavor is not too strong. Coffee is not bitter. I feel like sweeter than what I ate in Korea. Really sweet. Korea, if I order some coffee, I feel like really bitter, like that. But here, not bitter. It feels like sweet coffee, and maybe you will like it. Good. I think coffee is expensive than donut. Okay, let's try this one. I order bigger one, and I order smaller. I asked donut step. This is the best seller in here. This one. Smell is like cheese. This is like butter sweet. Chocolate butternut. This is chocolate butternut. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, let's try. You know, inside there are choco, right? Outside there are little bit crumble. I got it. Why this is the best seller in here? Because inside really soft and outside is really crumble. Maybe this is like sugar coating. This is like sugar coating. Not plumpy and not creamy. Okay, it's good. This is my I wanna give the 6 star for 6 star out of 10 because for me I love a creamy donut than this one because this one is inside there don't have a like cream, right? But for me I love creamy like donut. So that's why I really excited to enjoy this one because on the top there are like blueberry jam and little bit creamy and I can feel like little bit cheese and this is like blueberry cheese like that. Come on! First we divide inside. What is that? I don't know. Inside there are something like that. I don't know what is that. Okay, let's try though. Let's try inside like that. Wow. You know, cheesy flavor is really strong and really creamy. I give the 10 out of 10. Wow. You know, this is my best donut I had in here. Oh my god, this is my type. This is really creamy. Also, there are blueberry. Blueberry flavor is really strong. They are really soft and then this one. And if you like creamy donut, maybe you will like it. You know, donut have to sweet. I love sweet because sweet donut and sweet coffee is gonna be a little bit sweeter than me. So now I'm really craving some black coffee, but here they don't have a black coffee. Outside there are like ground coffee and icing some cream. I love this cream. And then outside I don't know why is that, but it's good. Next one is this one. You know, it looks like really yummy. I think inside there are like cream. Oh, cream! Oh my god! Maybe I will like it because I love cream, as I mentioned before. I really like creamy donut. Okay, let's try. I wanna give the nice style for this. I really like it. Of course, it's really small size like that. Small size. So I can eat it easily. So this is only 8 peso. Of course, all of the donut is really sweet. Last one is this. You know, this is the similar to chocolate. I don't think this is like donut. I feel like it's just the chocolate because its chocolate smell is really strong and looks like really sweet. We can divide. Inside is just like similar to this one. Outside they have a like chocolate coating. Okay, let's try this one. Oh my god, it's not really sweet than I expected. I know it's sweet, but for me, as soon as I saw this, I feel like, wow, this maybe would be super sweet, not really sweeter than I expected. Just chocolate flavor. I wanna give the 7 star for this. It's good. Why this is more sweeter than this one? You know, it looks like more sweeter this one, right? I have to finish one because I love donut. Of course, I almost done the ice cup. I wanna try other donut also. So, can you recommend other donut? What is your favorite donut? It's really good. Oh my god. I love Dunkin' Donuts. I love Dunkin' Donuts. Masalam, I love you. I can finish all. This one is best for me. But I love this one. Also, I love this one. But next time, I will try other things. Thank you guys. As my baby is finished. Next time, also, I wanna try other thing in here. Bye bye.
Did you guys enjoy this video? I hope you did. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.